Hello. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many people are affected by the lockdown with no access to home-cooked healthy food. If you love to cook at home, Tradishes urges you to cook homemade meals for guests who are located near you. They can order these safe and healthy meals as takeout using our self-pickup feature in the app. Tradishes encourages anyone with traditional cooking skills to register as a host and help by offering healthy food options to nearby guests for a reasonable price. As for the guest, you can place an order at your nearest home kitchens where your host is cooking and packing the fresh and healthy food for you to pick up yourself to ensure safety. We at Tradishes wish the best for you and your family throughout this challenging time. Together, we'll get through this. Thank you for your support.